everyone, and welcome to Home Flavors Week. I'm Jenny, a passionate home cook with a sweet tooth. Today I'm going to share my favorite recipe. A rich, moist chocolate cake. It's perfect for birthdays, celebrations, or just when you feel like something sweet. Before we start, here are the ingredients for a cake that's enough to serve 8 people. Ingredients: 200 grams of flour, 200 grams of sugar, 100 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs, 250 milliliters of milk, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, here's how I make this delicious cake. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then, grease a cake pan with a bit of butter or oil so the cake doesn't stick. Next, in a large bowl, mix the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. After that, add the eggs, oil, milk, and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Next, mix everything together with a whisk, or use a hand blender until it is nice and smooth. Then, pour the mixture into the cake pan. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Finally, let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then slice it up, and enjoy your homemade chocolate cake. And that's it. A simple, delicious chocolate cake made right at home. And if you like, top it with some chocolate sauce for an extra treat. Enjoy!